What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we're going to go ahead and get these Continental tires mounted to these Honda Sport wheels, which are going to look really nice on this Acura TSX. So first thing we're going to do here is we're going to get some lube, and we're going to get the rim and the tire lubed up and ready for installation. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and apply some lube to these tires as well. So before I put these tires on, I've got to cut off this old valve stem and get the TPMS installed. All right, so we got our TPMS sensor. We're gonna go ahead and install that. All right, next we'll go ahead and get our tire in place. Make sure you have the tire in the proper direction. The outside is actually in the right direction. So we're going to go ahead and get this on the rim. All right, so that completes the installation of the tires. This is the first time using this new Yuanmech with the leverless. It is amazing. The helper arms, everything makes it a breeze compared to the previous tire changer I had. So now we're off to balancing and then we're good to go. So the first thing we're going to do is get the wheel up here. And now we just need to take our measurements. So this is 37. So for the purpose of this, we're going to set it to 9. And then we know this is a 19-inch wheel. So everything's set, and we just hit start. So one thing I forgot to mention, we're gonna go ahead and change the units here. Okay, so this is saying we need 1 ounce on the outer in this location. So then we're gonna go ahead and get the laser set up here. Okay, so here's my strip. 1 ounce is actually gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. So we're going to go ahead, rip off 4 of these, and we're going to put them on the inside of the wheel, right where that laser is pointing, so we can see where that laser is hitting, and we're just going to put that dead smack in the center. And then we're going to go ahead, let's start again. All right, so everything's looking good. The wheel is balanced. And we just have to do the rest. Alright, so now these wheels are mounted and balanced and they're ready to go on the car. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.